Welcome to this Vipassana meditation for beginners. Let's prepare. Find a quiet, undisturbed space where you can sit comfortably for the next 20 minutes. You may sit on a cushion, a chair, or any surface that allows your back to remain upright yet relaxed. Your spine should feel tall, not rigid, just supported. Your head is gently aligned over your spine, eyes soft or closed. Let's begin. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. One more time, breathe in slowly. And exhale gently. With each exhale, feel your body letting go of tension. Relax the shoulders. Soften the jaw. Release any tension in the belly. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, inhaling and exhaling through your nose effortlessly. Bring your attention to the feeling of your body, the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Notice where the body meets the ground. Your seat, your legs, your feet. You are grounded. You are present. You are here. Let's begin a gentle body scan. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any subtle sensations here. Perhaps tingling, warmth, or stillness. Slowly move to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. If you find any tightness, breathe into it. And on your next exhale, soften and release. Now move down to your neck, your shoulders, your upper back. Just noticing, not fixing, simply observing. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath here. Now down to your abdomen, your lower back. Notice any areas that feel tense or relaxed. Let your awareness be soft, like a warm light passing through. Now down to your hips, your thighs, knees, and calves. Notice any sensations, warmth, heaviness, energy, or even numbness. Let everything be exactly as it is. Finally, bring awareness to your feet. Feel into your toes, the soles, the heels, grounded and connected. And sense your entire body as one whole, unified presence. Breathing, alive, aware. Now gently return your attention to the breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils. And the subtle movement of your chest and belly. No need to change the breath. Just observe it. Allow it to flow naturally. Soon, you may notice your mind beginning to wander. That's okay. It's completely natural. When you catch yourself drifting into thought, gently acknowledge it with kindness, perhaps with a mental label like thinking or wandering, and softly return to your breath. No judgment, no frustration, just awareness. Now let's explore the practice of equanimity, a calm, balanced state of mind that meets every sensation, every thought, without resistance or craving. When a pleasant sensation arises, notice it, but do not cling to it. When an unpleasant sensation arises, acknowledge it, but do not resist it. we observe, we allow, we stay steady in our awareness. Apply this same attitude to your thoughts, whether the thought is joyful or painful, exciting or dull. Observe it with gentle detachment. Label it thinking. And bring the awareness back to your breath. In this way, we begin to see reality more clearly, not through filters, opinions, or judgments, but as it truly is. Breath by breath, you are cultivating insight. If emotions arise, sadness, joy, restlessness, you may also label them gently, feeling, and again return to the breath. With every return, you are strengthening your awareness. With every moment of observation, you are building clarity. As we enter the final few moments of this practice, rest quietly in this space of awareness. Simply breathe. Notice the breath. Notice the body. Notice the peace that comes from presence. Now slowly begin to bring your attention outward again. Gently notice the sounds around you. The feeling of air on your skin. The contact of your body with the ground or chair beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Invite gentle movement back into the body. And when you feel ready, open your eyes softly, slowly. Take a moment to reflect on your experience. Acknowledge any insight or calm you discovered today. And express gratitude to yourself for showing up, for practicing, for being present. Vipassana is a journey, a gradual unfolding of truth, clarity, and inner peace. With regular practice, you will begin to notice greater mindfulness, greater equanimity, and deeper insight into yourself and the world around you. Thank you for meditating with me today. If you enjoyed this practice, please consider liking and subscribing.